everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with us a bit today. I'm Laura if you're new. That's Zena. This is Wyatt. We sure hope you stick around for the long haul and hit that subscribe. Today I have a Wantable unboxing to share with you today. This one is a themed edit. It's the ColourPop style edit. Loving the themed edits. I tend not to do the regular month by month. I just pick a edit whenever I want one, and I tend to almost always go with the themed edits. So this one will be a fun one. If you're not familiar with Wantable, it is a styling service. $20 styling fee. You get 7 items, and if you keep 5 or more, you get 20% off your picks. Otherwise, you keep what you love, send back what you don't, and the $20 will be applied against that. They do run specials, so sometimes they offer a $5 styling fee, or they'll offer some free items that will come in a special box, so keep a lookout for that. They also have a stream on their site, which I very much enjoy because it tells you what items they have available, as well as pricing for those and a description of them. So that gives you an idea of the items that you may want to ask for or decline, so your stylist gets to know you. And if you do request it, it goes on your wish list, so your stylist can watch for it in your size when it becomes available. Many times you do get it in one of your next boxes. Right inside your box, it tells you what to do. The stickers are personalized, which I love. And we're going to get into my ColourPop selections. I'm just going to dump it. Let's do that. All right. So right on top, you will get a pricing sheet and notes from your stylist. And this one is a themed little pamphlet that tells me it's the ColourPop edit. And then you will also get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. All right, and I think this edit, you get a free gift with it. So let's check this out. Well, maybe this is it. Let me check. Yep. So this edit came with a free gift, which is a bracelet. It is the glass tile bracelet in multicolor. So this is like an 8th item. And let me show you what it looks like here. It is stretchy, and that's what it looks like. That's pretty. Love all the color. I love that it brings the first ColourPop. Very pretty. It comes in its own little jewelry pouch here, which is perfect for travel in my opinion. So love it. Let's see what else we got. And it looks like I have 3 requests. So when you kick off a box, at the end, after you've already done it, submitted, it'll send you right to the stream, which a lot of times in the case of a theme box is the items are related to that theme. So I love that. All right, so first up is something by Drew. It's a little t-shirt. Has the little eyelet sleeves here. It is yeah, white and like a dressy t-shirt. So that's cute. Next up is another item by Drew. This is a like halter style top in a floral. Looks like it has buttons down the front, right? Yeah, buttons down the front with a little tie. Is that a real tie? Looks like it is a real tie. Yep. Comes, yeah, it has like the halter stocks that comes in here in the back. That's pretty. Okay. Then I have something from Lily Mason, which is a long sleeve t-shirt. It's like a washed out kind of look to it in this orangey color. This is the Burnout Clove Tunic in Arabella. Okay, this is my first request, I believe, and they are the Dear John. These are the Fiona Wide Leg in Digital Lavender. I loved these when I saw them. The color, amazing, right? No distressing. just the unfinished hem, but not really distressed. So I kept those olive pants from my last fix and loved them. So then when I saw these in the stream, these are a crop version though, I thought they would be super cute. All right, then we have the Tracey straight leg. This was also, I had apparently requested back in March. These are by Hidden. A little bit of distressing in these. You see up here. And it looks like it's the knee a little bit. I like this color wash. These are cute. These are the high-rise straight. All right. Then I have a pair of shorts by Faherty. These are cute. Check those out. Can you see the pink running through there? Those are adorable. Okay, love those. And then my last item, which was a requested item, it looks like from Liverpool, is this pink blazer. This pale pink does have pockets here, does not have a closure. It looks like I requested it in March too. And that is the last item. This has stretch to it, check that out. I love these kind of comfier blazers for work. All right, that is all the items. Let's get to the try on and see what works. First outfit, Lily Mason Burnout tee and the hidden denim. Okay, so the one thing about hidden denim is they are so soft and so comfortable. I love them. These hit right at my, let's say ankle, but right at the top of my foot actually. They are a high rise. They are hitting right at my belly button as well. The wash is very nice. They are very comfortable. I think she sized down in these for me. So these are a 25 instead of my normal 26. They do relax a little bit. At least my other pairs have done that. That little bit of distressing at the knee and then a little bit here at the top as well as here. Very comfortable. I actually really like them. The tee has this tiered at the bottom, which I don't know if I showed you that before. It's a little bit longer maybe in the back. It's got a lot of room to it. It's a V-neck. Here's what it looks like closer. So you can see that. Kind of has that washed out look. The color is interesting. I feel like it's more fall color than spring, but it is a color pop, so it's not bad. I could probably do a front tuck with it. It's a lightweight material, flowier. The top is $58, the Burnout Clove Tunic by Lily Mason. The jeans, $89, the Tracey straight leg in medium light by Hidden. Let me know what you think. Next outfit. How about this Dex top and the Dear John pants? I am in love with these pants. Okay, so they're the same as the olive colored pants that I kept the last time, except for these are shorter. I'm sure they're supposed to be cropped, but for me, they hit me right at the top of my foot. Adorable. These are also a size 25. They have an amazing amount of stretch. The olive pair that I kept were as well. They're a little bit wider. The color, amazing. And then she sent this pretty top to go with it that buttons down the front, has the tie in the middle. I love this curve here in the front, which I really enjoy. And then the back a little bit longer. However, it's bunching a little bit for me here. And I'm not sure that the fit is quite right across the chest for me. But it's such a cute top. I do have a sports bra on underneath, so you're seeing that white, but you can see it cuts in really tight here. But I'm having a little bit of gaping right here where it's puckering out, and then that little bit of puckering like right here in the back as well. Here's what it looks like. But it is a really cute top. I'm thinking that it's not quite fitting me the way it's supposed to. And I even left the bottom button unbuttoned to give it just a little bit more room, but I think I would be fussing with it, but it's adorable. Let me get closer just so you can kind of see the pattern a little bit more, and this tie in the front, and it kind of gathers right here on the sides. So the top is the Tabby tie front floral top in Guava by Drew, $69. And then the Dear John, Fiona wide leg and digital lavender are $105. And then I think I'm going to add on top the Blazer by Liverpool. Because this would turn it from a nighttime or weekend look into a more professional look if you added the blazer. So the blazer covers the entire tushy, doesn't have a vent in the back. The sleeves are cuffed to make them 3/4 here, but you could always bring those down if you wanted, which would then make them a bit long for me. But that's what they look like all the way down. It does have pockets here in the front, as I mentioned. No closures, so it's meant to just hang open. Yeah, very cute. This one has some amazing stretch to it, so it feels really good on. It would be really nice for those like super long, you know, days, and you just want to be comfortable, but you still need to look professional. Or you want to, like, you know, beef up the outfit a little bit. Here's another look at that bracelet that came for free. So many colors. I think Xena wants to make a break for it. She hears my son running around out there. Let's see. You trying to make a break for it? Don't jump down. So what do you think of this one? As I mentioned, this one is the Liverpool Boyfriend Blazer in Pink Perfection, and $119 is the price for this one. Let me know what you think. Final outfit. All right, so I have on the Faherty shorts, which I am loving. Faherty is such an amazing brand. It's expensive, but it is amazing. And then the Dex top, and you're going to see my sports bra underneath here because it's so white, so it's going to show up under here. However, I think that's okay, as long as you guys know if you wear a nude bra, you're not going to see any of that. Also, I had the shorts on. If you see any bruising on my legs, I just recently had sclerotherapy, so it's okay. That will heal over the course of the coming weeks, so nothing to be worried about. The shorts are adorable. They're a really nice length. And the fit is great. So they fit me nicely in the waist. Length is nice. Here's what they look like. I like this pink striping, like the washed out kind of striping going through here is just so cool. It pairs nicely with the white tee. I'm not sure I love the white tee with all this cute little eyelet on it. I think that might be a bit too much for me, all the way down here to, you know, stomach. So I'm not loving that. And I just kept something similar from a Trendsend, but I think it was just in the sleeve, not this whole way down to here. So I'm thinking this one is a little bit similar, but a little bit more aggressive, and I'm not loving it. But you can let me know what you think. And here's the shorts closer up. Here's what the t-shirt looks like out, just so you can see length. My son has the puppers all worked up today. But these are adorable. So the shorts are the Topsail short in pink railroad stripe by Faherty, $118. And the top is the Drew Sloane Eyelet Ruffle sleeve knit top in white. What's the matter, Bubby? In white, $69. Everything $627. Remember, if you keep 5 or more, 20% off. So 20% off everything is $125.40, bringing the total down to $501.60. And then my styling fee of $20 comes off. It would be $481.60 for everything. So what do you think the keepers are? If I were to remove two of my least favorite right off the top, it would be this t-shirt and this t-shirt. I would remove those. I would love to keep the rest of it. I'm just not sure that this top, so the tops seem to be my struggle this time. I'm not sure that this top really fits me, but I really liked it. I thought it was adorable. My favorites are the shorts and these Dear John pants. Those are my very favorite. But I did really like, I thought the blazer by Liverpool was really nice. I always like a great hidden denim. I think these were a great fit. So I would have to see if I keep, you know, the two most expensive items in the collection, if it's not worth it to just go ahead and keep 5. So I have to think about that. I will list all of these items down below in case you would like to request any of them through the stream or with your stylist. I'll also put my link to Wantable down below, because if you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. Let me know what you thought. Please do comment down below. Can't wait to read your comments. Thanks for hanging with me today. This was so much fun. Hit that like before you go. Hit that subscribe. It really helps me continue to bring you new content. If you already have, a huge thank you, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.